Everything that is at height is at risk of falling. Everyone who works at height, therefore, needs competence in the correct use and handling of fall arrest equipment. We must ensure the correct rescue competence in work situations where fall arrest equipment is used. We must also ensure that maintenance routines for this equipment are adhered to. You cannot use fall arrest equipment if you have only read the procedure for the use of the equipment, nor is it sufficient to receive training from a colleague. Everyone who uses fall arrest equipment must receive documented practical training, as well as theoretical training that provides knowledge about the equipment's assembly, use, properties, and areas of application. Working Together for Safety has prepared 2 course plans for fall arrest, which are to ensure that persons who use fall arrest equipment have the necessary competence. Do you know, for example, how great a load the rope and fastening point must be able to bear? When working at height, we must be aware of and prepared for undesirable incidents that may happen. For example, situations may arise where you may become stuck in the wrong place. A rescue plan based on a thorough risk assessment shall therefore be prepared for every operation in which fall arrest equipment is used. This plan shall contain a minimum of the following: the response time and location of the rescue equipment, and who is responsible for the emergency response. In the event of work that involves fall arrest equipment, a minimum of 2 persons shall be present for any necessary rescue operation. Personnel who undertake emergency response operations shall have documented practical and theoretical rescue knowledge. Working Together for Safety has prepared a course plan that is to ensure that persons who are to carry out such rescue operations have the necessary competence. The training provides skills in accordance with the rescue requirements that are set. Competence is to be maintained by completing a repetition course every 2 years. Practical and regular training is to be completed at least 4 times per year. Equipment is to be obtained, used and maintained in accordance with applicable standards. Equipment is to be CE marked, and the fall arrest harness should be equipped with 2 relief straps, such as foot straps. All fall arrest and support equipment is to be checked by authorized personnel. All equipment is to be appropriately labeled with the date of the last certification or periodic inspection. Even though the equipment is regularly inspected by authorized personnel, a self-inspection of the equipment is also to be carried out. Everyone who uses fall arrest equipment is to have documented practical and theoretical training. All operations involving the use of fall arrest equipment are to have a dedicated rescue plan. Personnel who undertake emergency response operations are to have documented practical and theoretical rescue knowledge. Equipment is to be obtained, used and maintained in accordance with relevant and recognized standards, and is to be inspected before and after use.